Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, driver front passenger heated seats, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.